Auto Apply is Jobscan's new AI-powered feature that helps job seekers apply to relevant jobs faster without sacrificing quality. This is not a generic spray and pray form filler. Auto Apply is an assistant that reduces the effort of applying without reducing the thoughtfulness. Here's how to get started. The first time you use Auto Apply, you'll be asked to add your resume and basic information and set your preferences for experience level, industry, work type, salary, location, and visa needs. You'll only need to do this one time. Jobscan will use the resume you select to prepare tailored application answers. Now you can browse AI-matched jobs. Auto Apply only surfaces jobs that actually match your profile, so you only see jobs that fit you. Click on the resume dropdown to select another resume you've uploaded to Jobscan in the past or to upload a new one. The job matches will change based on each resume. You can also search for jobs by keyword. Jobs are sourced directly from ATSs themselves, like Lever, Workable, Greenhouse, and Smart Recruiters. Click on a job card to see more details about that job. When you find a job you want to apply for, click Auto Apply. Jobscan's AI reads the application form and drafts thoughtful answers specific to each role based on your resume and preferences. You'll be able to view the status while the AI works on your application. You can view other recommended jobs and enable browser notifications so you get instantly notified when the application is ready for your review. Select multiple jobs for Auto Apply to build an application for. You can track all of your applications in one unified dashboard that shows the status from preparing to review needed to applying to applied. After the application is automatically filled out, you can review it before submitting. You can see every answer, edit anything, and decide if it's worth submitting. AI prepares the application, you approve it. No application is ever sent without your eyes on it. After reviewing the application, click on Submit. Jobscan is the only platform that combines resume optimization, match scoring, and assisted applications in one quality-focused workflow. Other platforms push volume. We help job seekers apply smarter to the roles that actually fit. Apply smarter with Jobscan's Auto Apply. Get started today at jobscan.co.